Hey guys, welcome to a bit of a different video where today I thought I would share a little bit of crafting that not only I am going to do, but maybe you'll want to do if you're still in quarantine. I wanted to freshen up this top. Now this is my merch, but when I ordered it from Teespring, it's actually quite faded and it does have a very slight brown colour where it obviously was burnt when the design was put on. And annoyingly, I actually wore this top in a recent video and I kept looking at it like, why is that top so faded? Because even though it looks like that, it looks okay, it is actually meant to look like this. So if you do ever receive anything from Teespring and you're not 100% happy with it, isn't looking like it's meant to, contact Teespring. Unfortunately, that is out of my hands, but if you're not happy, let them know. But instead of, you know, not wearing this top anymore, accidentally wearing it in a video, I wanted to just freshen it up, and I thought, what better than tie-dye? So the first thing you want to do to make it easier to sort of mould is just soak the entire top, and then you can fold it whatever way you want. So this is what I'm going with, but feel free to do whatever you want. Next I made up dyes, so I'm using the Dial on dyes and we're just using 3 different colours, red, purple and blue. This isn't really how you're meant to make them up. A lot of people use them in bottles or, you know, pourable bottles. I'm just using them in cups because this is all I have. Now you can do whatever colours you want, whatever pattern you want, this is just what I'm doing. Remember to also turn over the top and do the back. Once I was happy with it, I put it on the rack to sort of drip dry for a bit, and then once I was done, I popped it in a bag and popped it outside. Now I'm probably going to leave it for 12 to 24 hours and then I will return. So it's the next day and it's time to wash these out. Now technically you can leave it like 6 to 8 hours, but if you want the brightest colours, you've got to wait about 24 hours. So you basically need to run it under the tap until the water runs clear. Now after this, it is a good idea to put it in your washing machine, give it a good wash and dry, but I was impatient and we already had something in the washing machine, so once I'd done, you know, soaking this through, I actually just pegged it out, but I will probably go back and wash it properly afterwards. You know what? This has come out quite good. I'm quite proud. So this is like the sunburst look, I believe it's called, and if you see on my back, it might be a bit easier to see. But yeah, we have red, blue and purple. We have a little bit too much blue on the face, but other than that I'm pretty happy with this. I just kind of thought it'd be a fun project if you're also stuck inside like me and you want to do a little something either to my merch or to a plain white tee. I know today I'm filming this, Jessica's Animals Friends actually uploaded a video where she is bleaching her merch or bleach dyeing it, so if you do have colourful tops or darker tops then you could try bleach, and I'm sure more people probably have bleach hanging around, but if you do want to know where I got these dyes from, I'll leave links below. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm really happy with how this has come out, and if you do something like this yourself, feel free to tag me in it on Instagram or tweet it to me on Twitter. But yeah, thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.